Hello students, this is KUMAR Physics. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET. Today I am going to discuss about the equilibrium. How many types of equilibrium is? There are three types of equilibrium. One is called stable equilibrium, and second one is called unstable equilibrium. Third one is called neutral equilibrium. In stable equilibrium, after displacing a charge from its equilibrium position, it comes to the initial state. Okay. In unstable equilibrium, after displacing the charge, it does not come to initial state. In neutral equilibrium, the charge neither comes back nor moves away from the mean position. Okay. So like this, there are three types of equilibriums. For example, let us consider a charge Q. If it is floating in air, this is a positive charge. Then positive charge, the direction of force would be is equal to EQ. Okay. Then the weight is balanced by mg. So you can write like this: EQ equal to mg. Then Q equal to mg by E, or E equal to mg by Q. Okay. Similarly, if a charge is suspended like this and a uniform field is applied along this direction horizontally, now this charge is displaced from this point to this point by making an angle theta from mean to extreme. The direction of electric field or force F equal to EQ. The charge on the particle is Q. Now what happens? The tension. This tension is divided into two components. This is called the T cos theta, and this is called a T sin theta. And the weight of the body, if mass is m, then the weight of the body mg acts vertically downwards. Okay. Then T sin theta is balanced by EQ, and T cos theta is balanced by mg. Okay. Now take to find out the tension, squaring on both sides, then you will get T square multiplied with the sin square theta plus cos square theta. Okay. So you will get EQ whole square plus mg whole square. T equal to root EQ whole square plus mg whole square. That is the tension. To find the angle made by the charged particle, tan theta is equal to how much? EQ by mg. EQ by mg. Okay. This force, instead of this force, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q square by R square also you can substitute. Okay. For example, if you consider two charges Q1 and Q2 are initially suspended like this, these two charges Q1 and Q2 are suspended initially near to each other. Now between these two charges there exists a force of repulsion. Now the total system of these two charges is taken into space. Then what happens? The angle between the two charges is, if it is length L, then the total length becomes 2L. And also the angle between these two charges is straight lines, so 180 degrees it is. Now the force between the two charges is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 by 4L square, and theta is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, and also if we consider the charge, if the system of charges are placed in presently, if it is balanced by 8 mg, now the system of these two charges are placed in a liquid or medium, then there exists a buoyancy force 1 minus 1 by specific gravity. Do you know that or not? Specific gravity is equal to density of the body in air by density of the body in water. That is also called what? Relative density. Okay. Then mg multiplied with 1 minus density of body in air by density of body in water. Now put these two ratio, f by f dash equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by specific gravity. Okay, like that you can find the ratio, and if you want to find the density of the given water, like this substitute. Okay, now I am going to explain about the projectile. Yeah? Projectile. If you consider the range and maximum height like that, let us consider a positive charge plus q is thrown like this, then and also a field is acting vertically downwards. Then what happens? It's a range, maximum height. Okay, range is represented by u square sin 2 theta by gr naught. Instead of g, you can write eq by m. Instead of u square sin square theta by 2g. Instead of g, you can write g plus eq by m. Okay.